So hello friends and welcome to Anka classes. So previous year's question analysis continued our C factorization gi session number 2. Okay, so 3 marks. 2014 ga 2022 the hangiba 3 marks ki question number discussed ours. Okay, so questions in high z. Factorize x bracket manung the y square plus z square plus y bracket manung the z square plus x square plus z bracket manung the x square plus y square plus 3xy z. Okay, so solution so x y square plus z square plus y z square plus x square plus z x square plus y square plus 3xy z. Okay, now so this is the question ji yenga matamda karigumba sumaina xyz se pulap ka yawba 3xyz kaina yawbuse thengna taradi generally answer factorization the koina 3xyz si thugai the xyz natra and xyz ahum, so 3xyz tano. Okay, so sumaina thugai bagi hint ama hek uba phangni. Okay, so karigumba question is minus 3xyz kaina 2xyz kaina term there is a yard variable man apun bagi variable ama yaram taradi, so sigi se thugai be abagi possibility ama lai haina wakanda thamjiko. So let us proceed. Adu oita de koina C bracket से 2y is xy square plus x z square plus y z square plus y x square, okay, plus z x square plus z y square plus 3x y z. Now, so this is like terms of mana is hana thumb. So xy square, xy over this is the amal like x square y head. See amal like, okay. So see amal like. There you go. So there is the 3xyz. See ahum thukna two gairaga. So there is the xyz amal pbc. Okay. Similarly, mathang da ekoina. To do is karino have a matam da xy like. Recall, nothing the yz among this is the y z square have later, not the yz yaw term this is z y square have later plus it is the 3xy the xyz amamu, so is the PVS. Recall, so level is the xz piece of xz square later, okay, and plus z x square have later and lemhoriba x y z. So 3xyz, xyz, amalera xyz, anilera xyz, ahum. Okay, now so this is the young part. So this is the equation my two is a have a term ahum yem matamda. Sigi term ahum yem matamda. Sigi term ahambagi term is the xy have you see common log. So there's xy m yaure, so there's xy, so there's xy m yaure. So there is no yz. I was a common log here. The yz yaure, zy, yz yaure, xyz yaure. So there is no xz. I was a common yaure term to the. Okay. Now, adu ibutar di equation. So there is the xy common log. We see xy common log tar di. Terms zidagi y lehorani, ani suba terms zidagi x lehorani, and home suba terms zidagi z lehorani. Ereko. Chap mana na si there is the yz common logo matam da aham term the z lehorani, ani suba term the y lehorani, and ahum suba term the x lehorani. Okay, now si there is the xz si common logo matam da aham term the z lehorani, ani suba term the x lehorani, and ahum suba term the y lehorani. Ereko. Now, see the expression. So this is the lady, which is the x plus y plus z. Ibama loinamak yaurgal. Okay. Otherwise, the C is a common log talk period. So x plus y plus z. Hariba C. Ham terms the gi log talk pata the equina kai and EVR xy. There is xy and EVR plus there is the z plus y plus x haibzi x plus y plus z haibnina ani suba term dagi yz lehore and ahum suba term dagi xz lehore yan tare ko ado we betar di si is a cyclic nature the ibige haita di x plus y plus z and xy plus yz plus z x haina iraga question there. So this is the factorization of the given question. Okay, so sigumba question jida koina section do isi karino haiba matamda kari gumba sigumba 3xyz kaina pulap variable yaw meba x ne y ne z ne yaw variable ahuma yaw term ama yaw tar di yaw patar di generally aikoina sigisi xyz kaina ahum thokna mari thokna or pirameba coefficient to gi matungina thugairaga hotnaba yawi. Okay, so this itself is a hint as to how to approach the question. Okay, so today's the Sigi question. We'll discuss another question. So thank you for joining Anka classes. We will meet again.